Today we will discuss the activity related to the refractions. Students, what do you mean by the refraction? Yes, the bending of light. When light travel from the one medium to the another medium. So student, if light travel from the rare air to the denser glass, what will happen? It bends towards the normal. Okay, if light travel from the denser to the rare, what will happen, student? Yes, it away from the normal. So students, now today I will show you some activity related to the refraction by the glass slab. So refraction through glass slab. So student, let us now start. So focus now. So in this activity we need a glass slab and a cardboard, and you can take at home, you can take the thermocol sheet also, and student, one white sheet and board pin also, scale and pencil. Okay students, now start. First we draw the outline of the glass slab with the help of the pencil. Understand? We draw the outline of the glass slab. Understand? Now just remove the glass slab. Now mark the edges A, B, C, D. Okay. Now what will we do now? So with the help of the scale, we draw the line perpendicular normal ray like this. Understand? You can remove this. So this is N dash and O. Now what will we do? Now draw a line for the incident ray. Okay, now what will do? Now mark the point E, F here. E, F. Now fix the board pin, and you can take all pin. Fix E and F point. Now what will we do now? Now put the glass slab on the ABCD, draw line. Now student, we will see this E and F incident ray from the opposite side. So here is the EF. Now I will see here this side. So very carefully take 4 identical all pin, 1 for incident ray. Now what will we do? Now we will see this incident ray opposite side. Now like here, and also understand? So you can again check the line, the light pass through rare to the denser medium. What will happen? Now fix the all pin from the opposite side. Understand? Now what will we do? Now student, we remove this glass slab. Understand? And now remove all pins very carefully. Now you student, you see you can see, if we see the incident ray, it appears like this. It appears like this, but our ray of light and this, you can see. Now we will draw the normal ray. You can mark the point M, M dash, O dash. Understand? So you can see student, now EF incident ray, and this is the refractive ray, and this is the emergent ray, GH. Understand what I am saying? Now you can see, student, when light travel from the rare medium, this is the air medium, and this is the denser glass. What will happen when light travel from the ray to the denser medium? What will happen? It bends towards the normal. You can see it bends. You can see this is the path of the light. If we draw we can say the imaginary, but when light travel from the air to the denser medium, it bends towards the normal. Understand? Now if light travel from the denser to the rare medium, it away from the normal. So student, this is the activity of the refraction through the glass slab. Now you can see, this is the angle I, angle of incident ray. This is the angle R, angle of refraction, and this is angle of emergent. So now you can see, student, incident ray and emergent ray are parallel but opposite each other. They are parallel, you can see, but opposite each other. Why? Because incident ray is the when light travel from the ray to the denser medium, but emergent ray when light travel from the denser to the rare medium. So students, I hope you understand the refraction through the glass slab, and also you can identify the angle. You can see EON, this is the angle of incident. Understand? Now O, you can say that O dash, M dash, O dash and H, this is the angle of emergent. And student, according to the Snell, sin I upon sin R constant. So students, I hope you understand. So you can do activity at your home. This is a very, I think, simple activity. So you will do this activity at your home. Okay students, bye.